all. Greetings of the day. I, Chef Reena Dongre, welcome you all once again. Today we are going to discuss about international breads. This video would be useful to brush up the knowledge regarding popular breads from various countries of the world. Bread essentially is made using the cereal flour and is consumed as an accompaniment with the main course. It can be both fermented as well as non-fermented. However, in major part of the European countries, bread is fermented. Hence, in this video, the fermented breads made using the wheat flour are taken into consideration. So let's start with France. The popular breads from France are baguette, épis, croissant and brioche. This is baguette. Baguette was invented at around the year 1930 and gradually it became popular. It has a sharp contrast of crisp crust and a soft crumb. It is usually 2 feet in length and always have 6 scorings on it. Baguettes can be used as a loaf bread. It is also sliced to make crostini. Can be used to make garlic bread, bruschettas, or base for open sandwiches and canapes. This is épis. Épis translates as wheat ear and it is a traditional harvest bread of France. Its main feature is the unusual shape. Primarily, it is rolled like a baguette and later on insertions are given to give this shape. It is a very common option in a bread basket as it gives a good contrast of shape and texture. This is croissant. It was first made in Hungary by a group of bakers who were working in the night and thus became aware of a potential attack on their country. The king asked them to prepare something to make the occasion memorable, and hence the bakers came up with the idea of making a croissant which resembles the Hungarian flag. This bread has a wonderful contrast of sharp, flaky texture and soft, buttery interior. This dough is laminated with butter and rolled several times to get the perfection to the product. Croissant is widely acceptable as a breakfast pastry. This is brioche. There are two concepts regarding brioche. One is that it was made by using brie and that's why it's called brioche. Another is that it is derived from the word brier, which means to pound. It is used as a breakfast pastry but can also be baked in a form of a loaf and sliced to make toast or French toast. Now let's discuss the breads from Italy. The popular breads from Italy are ciabatta, focaccia and grissini. This is ciabatta. Ciabatta literally means slipper, which is justified by the shape of the bread. The dough of the bread is very soft and becomes difficult to handle, and hence lots of flour is used in the dough to give it a shape. This bread is traditionally topped with lots of flour before baking. It can be used for making sandwiches or for making open sandwiches or bruschettas. This is focaccia. This bread has a lot of olive oil and thus it requires to be kneaded for a longer time, which enhances the taste as well as the texture of the bread. It is used for making crostini, bruschettas and sandwiches. These are grissini sticks, which are thicker version of breadsticks and made by incorporating olive oil in dough. These are mostly served with soups. Now let's discuss the breads from Germany. The popular ones are Pumpernickel, Landbrot, Pretzel, Stollen and Zob. This is Pumpernickel. It is normally made with rye flour, but small amount of wheat flour is also sometimes used in the dough to lighten the texture. The bread has a dark color, dense texture and a sour and earthy flavor. It is generally consumed with smoked sausages, marinated fish and cheese. This is Landbrot. Landbrot is made in different shapes and sizes, but all are generally made with rye flour and buttermilk, which gives a sweet and sour taste to the bread. The bread is chewy and not dense in texture. Because of the chewy texture and sour aftertaste, the bread is particularly accompanied with soups or stews. This is pretzel. It is always made from wheat flour, milk and yeast. After proving, the pretzels are dipped in a caustic soda liquid, also known as lye, and then sprinkled with sea salt and baked till the crust acquires a dark golden brown color. The crust is salty, whereas the crumb is sweet. This bread is traditionally made during Oktoberfest in Germany and is hanged on wooden stands, which are often known as pretzel stands. This is Stollen. It is a very rich bread which has raisins, sultanas, mixed candied peels of fruits, egg, butter and milk. The bread is heavy and dense. This bread is particularly associated with Christmas and is consumed all over during the festival. Especially during the Christmas, the Stollen is stuffed with marzipan and baked. This is Zopi. It is a plated loaf which has its roots long back in the Jews who started the tradition of plating the loaves. These plated loaves are almost always enriched with yeast, made with white flour and plated using 3 or more dough. In most of the cases, the appearance of the bread is excellent with a glossy finish achieved by egg wash and sometimes brushed with hot honey. Next, we would be discussing the popular breads from United Kingdom. Some of them are Cobb, Bloomer, hot cross buns and English muffin. This is Cobb, which means head, as the appearance resembles one. It is made with wholemeal flour and baked as a plain loaf. It is a basic loaf for family consumption. This is Bloomer. It has a crusty exterior and a soft crumb. It can be made from refined rye or multigrain flour. It is mostly used as a loaf but can be sliced and eaten. These are hot cross buns. The bread has a traditional cross mark which is said to be evolved from the belief that it would ward off evil. This bread is flavored with raisins, currants, nutmeg and cinnamon and enriched with yeast and eggs. It is a popular celebration bread, especially during Easter. These are English muffins. These are traditional flat discs of bread which are enjoyed in the winters. It is a very light bread and develops a thin skin like crust when cooked. They are not baked in oven, but instead they are cooked on hot plates. It can be slit, toasted, buttered and mostly preferred to be served along with eggs in a classical dish called Egg Benedict. Now let's discuss the breads from USA. The popular ones are burger bun and banana bread. This is burger bun. It is made with leavened dough, but it is normally kept bland in taste as it will contain the fillings which will be flavorful. Burger bun is one of the most consumed breads in the world in the form of different burgers. This is banana bread. The bread is more like a cake. Ripe bananas are used for making it along with baking powder for the required rise. The interior has a very dense texture. It is generally baked in tins. It is a very popular tea bread and can also be served in breakfast. Now let's discuss the breads from Middle East. Few popular ones are lavash, khubis and pita. This is lavash. Lavash is a flat bread which can be very large. It can be oval, round or rectangular in shape. It can be made with or without yeast. However, the without yeast variety is more popular. It can be brushed with olive oil and served warm as snacks along with dips. This is khubis. It is very similar to the pizza paste. The only difference is that it is made with wholemeal flour. It is commonly consumed in the Middle East as a part of daily diet. These are pita. Pita is very similar to Indian fulka. The only difference is that unlike fulka, pita is made in the oven. Pita is served as snacks along with assorted dips. In Middle East, it is very commonly served with falafel fritters along with fattoush salad. Next, let's discuss some Jewish breads. The popular ones are bagel and challah. Even though there is C in the spelling, it is silent and the bread is pronounced as challah. These are bagels. The bread is made with both refined flour, wholemeal and multigrain flour. It can include vegetable oil, margarine or butter along with eggs and yeast. The bread is poached or steamed for a minute or two and then it is given an egg wash and baked, which helps in the formation of a glossy crust and dense interior. This bread resembles a donut with a hole in the center. Bagel is served commonly in the breakfast, but it can also be served as sandwiches. These are challah. It is made with white flour and is leavened. It also has eggs, sultanas or raisins which makes it rich. It has a deep brown crust and a sweet white crumb. It can be round or plated with 3, 6 or 12 strands of dough. Challah is a festive bread which is consumed in the Sabbath in the Jewish families. That's all about the popular breads from various countries. The list is not exhaustive, but it includes the most popular breads. I hope this video would be helpful for all of you. Thank you very much for watching.